If you can see the note, you can open it. Google Keep is a user-friendly tool that efficiently manages digital data, captures diverse content quickly, and organizes information effectively before final storage.
Google Keep efficiently manages and organizes your digital data from a central platform. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features make it easy to keep track of your digital life. One standout feature is the ability to open a note simply by viewing it, which allows for quick access to important information. The app is the fastest and easiest way to capture ideas, information, and images. Whether you're recording a quick reminder or saving a detailed article, Google Keep simplifies the process, accommodating various types of data effortlessly. Google Keep also acts as a staging area for your information and ideas. It provides a temporary space to sort and assess your thoughts before deciding on their permanent placement. This is especially helpful for managing large projects or planning future events, allowing you to organize and prioritize effectively.